Royal Corinthian manufactures cellular PVC column wraps to any shape as long as it's a polygon. We mostly make square columns, but we can make triangles, rectangles, hexagons, octagons, and more. For round or load-bearing round or square columns, please consider our other materials like fiberglass or synthetic stone. Our standard PVC columns are made using 1/2 inch thick PVC sheets, which are precision cut using CNC technology. We offer a 3/8 inch thick economy option for our plain non-tapered columns. We could also make a 5/8 inch thick or a 1 inch thick column shaft. In addition to non-tapered, we offer straight tapered and in tassels square tapered PVC column wraps. Collectively, these types of columns are known as Craftsman or bungalow columns. Our non-tapered columns come with a 1/2 inch by 8 inch box style cap and base set, which can also be beveled. We can make these caps and bases taller or shorter as well as thicker if desired. Our tapered PVC columns come with a Craftsman style cap and base. We have 2 Craftsman cap and base options to choose from. We also have some crown molding options that can be fashioned into a cap and or base. Obviously, any of our caps and bases can be used on any column, so feel free to choose a Craftsman cap with a non-tapered column or a box base with a tapered column. We also offer Tuscan, Doric, and Attic caps and bases and an assortment of decorative capitals made from a polymer marble composite material. In this case, you will need to paint the columns to have a uniform finish. While our cellular PVC is a white color and doesn't require painting, it is considered a paint grade product. We choose not to make these styles from PVC as they would be cost prohibitive due to their ornate nature. Our wraps or covers come factory assembled as 2 corner halves with a straight miter edge. At a steep discount, we offer our wraps knocked down, also called a flat pack. In other words, you save if we don't assemble the individual sides into 2 corner halves and ship each side loose. The individual sides as well as the capitals and bases would still come mitered, just not assembled. We can also offer the columns with an interlocking edge rather than a straight miter, which some people prefer. If desired, we can factory assemble these wraps into full columns or into half columns or pilasters to any plan type available. Separately, we offer a 2-part epoxy, which comes with an adapter for a standard caulk gun. We find that this epoxy works very well with our wraps, but you are welcome to use any comparable and suitable construction adhesive or PVC glue. We discuss several options in our installation guide, which you can find on our website at RoyalCorinthian.com under the technical tab. Our standard wraps come in nominal widths, with the nominal size being 3/8 inch smaller than actual, so a 12 inch wide column will actually be 11 5/8 inches. Of course, we can make a true 12 inch column if desired. The heights of our column wraps are also a 1/4 inch nominal to allow for thermal expansion and contraction. We follow industry sizing as far as the combination of widths and heights as standard products, but we can make wraps up to 48 inches wide and 20 feet tall. Our wraps can be cut using standard woodworking tools. Make sure to cut from the bottom of the shaft. We can also make the wraps to your required height, which can be important for designs that have panels or flutes, as we will adjust the height of the detail to ensure it still ends above the base, as well as ensuring that the base still fits properly on our tapered styles. In addition to plain columns, we are able to make fluted, raised panel, recessed panel, and raised molding designs. We can even split up the designs to incorporate several of the same style panels or mixed panel designs. We can do double fluted, double raised, or double recessed, or even triple if you desire. We can also make a column with the bottom recessed and the top plain, or virtually any combination of panels. We can also apply moldings to our column wraps or include an optional astragal. Our standard columns come with installation cleats. The cleat goes under the base and above the cap and adds an extra step or flare to the cap and base. The cleat acts as a locking mechanism to secure the column shaft to the substrate and soffit or flooring ceiling. In addition to columns, we make pedestals or posts that can be used alone or in combination with our columns. These are also called shaker panels. Our column and post combination is the best in the industry. Instead of having to install the column first and then the posts around it, we make the combination as one unit, effectively cutting installation time in half. Anything you could make from wood, we can make using our superior PVC material. Due to our CNC technology, customization is fairly inexpensive, and in fact, we offer many upgrades at no charge. The hardware requirements for these wraps is very minimal. The screws can be purchased at a local hardware store, or the hardware can be purchased separately from us. I hope you have learned something about our PVC column wraps. Please like and subscribe. We've got many educational videos online and more in the works. Thank you, and have a great day.